Are you an SEO specialist wondering if directory submission still holds value in today's complex search landscape? The answer is a resounding yes, but with a crucial caveat: it's all about strategy and quality. Forget old school spam tactics. Modern directory submission is a powerful tool for brand validation and long-term SEO. For years, directory submission was often dismissed as an outdated, even risky, SEO practice. However, in 2026, its purpose has fundamentally shifted. It's no longer about mass link building, but about building brand credibility and consistent online citations. This technique is particularly effective for new websites, local businesses, and startups. It helps establish an initial online presence and signals legitimacy to search engines. When done correctly, it's a safe and effective off-page SEO tactic. Directory submission involves manually listing your website or business details on relevant online directories. Unlike algorithmic SEO, this requires active, manual effort to find and submit to quality platforms. It's about ensuring your business information is discoverable. Today, directory submission focuses on brand discovery and validation. You're listing essential facts about your business, products, and services. This helps users and search engines easily find and understand your offerings. Not all directories are created equal. Understanding the different types helps you choose wisely for maximum impact. Each serves a unique purpose in your SEO strategy. General web directories offer broad visibility across various industries. Local business directories are crucial for local SEO, verifying NAP, name, address, phone, consistency. Niche-specific directories provide topical relevance, which search engines highly value. Review-based directories build brand credibility and trust signals, even if they don't offer direct backlinks. Paid featured listings can offer prominent placement and branding benefits. Free submissions establish a basic presence, but require careful selection. Reciprocal listings, when natural and relevant, can support a healthy link profile. The key is always quality and relevance over sheer volume. High-authority directories are reputable online platforms with strict quality standards. They are regularly indexed by search engines and feature manual or editorial moderation. This ensures only credible websites are listed. These directories have clearly defined categories and minimal spam or irrelevant listings. Their editorial oversight maintains trustworthiness and long-term value. Listings on these sites are more reliable and valuable for SEO. They help search engines validate brand authenticity, business legitimacy, and topical relevance. This supports visibility and trust, rather than artificial ranking manipulation. It's about sustainable SEO growth. Using high-authority directories offers significant long-term SEO and branding advantages. They contribute to consistent visibility, trust, and credibility across the web. This reinforces your overall digital presence. One key benefit is enhanced brand exposure. These directories are frequently crawled by search engines and visited by users. This increases the likelihood of your business being discovered by relevant audiences. They also contribute to entity recognition and brand validation. Consistent, accurate information across reputable directories strengthens search engine confidence in your business's authenticity. This supports long-term SEO stability. Additional benefits include a diversified backlink profile from credible sources. You can also gain modest, yet highly relevant, referral traffic. This expands your reach among targeted and industry-specific audiences. To maximize the benefits, follow a structured approach. Start by researching and choosing directories relevant to your niche or location. Avoid low-quality or auto-approved platforms. Create an accurate and consistent profile across all submissions. Ensure your name, URL, description, and contact information are identical. This consistency is vital for brand signals. Write a human-friendly description, avoiding keyword stuffing. Focus on readability and user value. Select the most relevant category to ensure proper classification and visibility. After submission, be patient as many high-authority directories have editorial review processes. Finally, monitor and maintain your listings, updating them as your business details change. Avoid automated tools and focus on quality over quantity. Many websites fail to see results from directory submission due to avoidable errors. One major mistake is submitting to too many low-quality or spam directories. This provides little value and can dilute your link quality. Keyword stuffing in titles and descriptions is another common pitfall. Over-optimized content can lead to rejection by editorial directories and appear unnatural. Inconsistent business details across listings also weaken brand signals. Relying on automated submission tools is a significant mistake. These tools often target irrelevant or poor quality platforms, increasing the risk of spam signals. Directory submission should be a controlled, manual process. Finally, expecting quick ranking improvements from directory listings alone is unrealistic. Directory submission is a supporting SEO activity, not a primary ranking strategy. It complements, rather than replaces, core SEO efforts. High authority directory submission sites continue to play a meaningful role in SEO when used strategically. In 2026, it's about brand validation, entity recognition, and long-term visibility. Focus on quality over quantity, submitting accurate information, choosing relevant categories, and avoiding common mistakes are essential best practices. Directory submissions should support your core SEO efforts, not replace them. When integrated thoughtfully, they strengthen your online presence. This technique remains a valuable off-page SEO asset. It helps build credible and discoverable digital brands over time. Embrace it as a complementary strategy for sustainable growth. If you want a deeper understanding of high-authority directory submission and want to explore a verified list of 29 high-authority directory submission sites, including free options, I've covered everything in detail in a complete guide. You'll find the link in the description below. Go through the article to understand how directory submission fits into modern SEO and how to use it the right way.